Well, I guess they don't want to go.
It's our instinct.
What do you mean, hon?
Some animals know when weather's coming. When they feel it coming, they sit.
Joan!
Okay, time's up. We're coming in. Get that ball in position. We're clearing them out. Yeah, I know it's raining.
It's raining.
Lucky guess, Baxter. Lucky guess. Looks like the drought's finally over. Good news, eh, Congressman?
Yeah, good news.
Everybody, please get on the ark! Please, everyone on the ark!
Cover me up, keep me dry. Cover me up, keep me dry.
Who's crazy now, huh? Okay, wish it!
Kind of stopped raining.
Is that it?
What'd I tell you? We're fine, it's over.
Hey, Ahab, this is it?
Your God experiencing a little water shortage? It would appear Evan Baxter was right about the rain, with a slight miscalculation as to the quantity.
Something's wrong.
Well, honey, the clouds are moving away.
No, this isn't right.
Evan, even if it kept raining, it's not like it could cause a flood in a day.
But today is the day. It has to be. This just doesn't make any sense. Wait a second.
What is it?
Marty said that long cut corners violated building codes.
What are you talking about?
The lake. Long Lake. It's named after him. It's the lake! It's the lake! Get on the ark! Everyone on the ark now!
I think we should get on the ark.
I agree. I think we should get on the ark also.
I'm cold, I'm wet, I'm going home. Ladies first, move!
Oh my God, this is happening. This is really happening.
Get everyone on the ark now! Get on the ark now! Let's go! Get on the ark! Let's go! 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 Get on the ark! Let's go! Get on the ark! Go! Go! On the ark! Go! 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 All right, boys, go! Go! Let's go!
We're gonna need a bigger boat. Stay here with the kids. Marina! Everyone, up the ramp! Onto the deck! Come on! Hurry, hurry, hurry! Dylan, get back inside. It's too dangerous.
No, Dad. I told you I'm with you.
Careful, everyone! In the ark! In the ark! Watch your step! Up the ramp, everybody! Come on! Good, good! Guys, help me with the door! Get the door! Get the door!
Prestige Crest, and you're seeing live images of New York Noah's Ark caught in the storm surge and heading towards Memorial Bridge.
We're gonna crash! Turn this thing around! We're not gonna make that! Famous Baxter!
I command thee! Hold! Stop! Whoa!
It's not working!
How about a little help here?
What do you mean there was water damage? It rained for 10 minutes. That is not possible.
I love you guys.
All right.
Seriously.
Okay, I got it.
I love you.
Thank you.
All those in favor of the Public Land Act, please signify by saying aye. Good God.
I think we can walk from here.